Hello and welcome to another short demo video with KingTech Coding Clinic once again. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can purchase any of our application in our product store. Okay, a lot of our subscribers have been complaining that they have difficulties or they are facing problems when it comes to purchasing or buying an application from our product store. And I decided to just create this short demo video to walk you through how that is done. This is very, very simple and easy. After this, I'll walk you through how you can do that using your smartphone as well. So as you can see, I'll leave the link for the product store in the video description below. You can just click on the link and it will bring you up straight to here. So these are the few products you have so far. More products will be coming as time goes on. So supposing you would want to purchase any of the application, what you just have to do is just to click on the application you would want to purchase. Try as much as possible to read the description of the application to make sure that it is what you want. Okay, so once you are okay with everything, then you would want to add it to the bag. Okay, now if that is the only application you would want to buy, then you go ahead and check out. Else you would have to click on keep shopping, and then from there you look forward and then grab another application where you just have to click on it once again, probably. Then you go ahead and then add it to bag as well and then proceed. If that is okay for you, you can then go to checkout and then you check it out. Else, if it's only one application you would want to purchase, then what you need to do is just to click on this to delete this one. Then you can then proceed to check out only this one. So how do we do that? Just click on checkout from here, and then you would have to enter your name and then enter your last name as well. Then the email address, let me go for probably this email address or whichever email address I would want to use. Let me go for this, and then I'll enter my phone number here. So this is it. So once I'm done, I'll just click on review and pay. Okay, so you can see from here, I'll just see the summary of my details, my email address, my phone number, and it's telling me that one file is included, meaning after purchase I'll be able to download the file straight forward to my PC and begin using. So once I'm done with that, probably what I'm going to do, if there is a discount code, you have to click on this and then you enter the discount code here, and then you see the price will be reduced based on how the discount code offers. So from there, you just go ahead and click on pay, and then you just click on this. So you would have to wait for another screen to show you from here. So if your country supports mobile money, then you can just go ahead and enter your phone number from here. As you can see, for now, probably it's only Ghana that supports that. So you go ahead and enter your mobile number from here. So once you are done, you choose your provider. We have these various providers. Else, then if your country doesn't support that, you would have to click on card, where you can use either Visa card or let's say MasterCard. You just enter your card number here, expiry date here, and then the code, the 3-digit code at the back of the card here. So once you are done, just click on pay, and straightforward you go ahead and pay and grab your application. From immediately after payment, you receive a link to download the application. So it's very, very simple, straightforward. So let me just clear my bag, and then let me just click on this, So let me just delete this so that I don't have anything in the bag. So basically that is that. So you can just browse through the product catalog and then grab any of the application you'd want, and then you'll be good to go. So once you are done, you'll be able to download the application straightforward to your PC. Okay, so basically that is. Suppose you have large catalog of products in the system or on this website, you would have to search for that particular product from here. Okay, and once you search, you'll be able to return the product you would want to pick. But for now, since we have this few products in the store, you can just go through them and then you'll be able to get what you want. They are all powerful applications and courses, and you will like them as well. So now let me move straight to my phone as well and take you step by step how you can do the same thing on your smartphone. Now let's do that. All right, so now here I am on my phone once again. So you can see the process is just similar to what I did on the PC. So from here you can see the product store. Like I said, I'll be leaving the link in the video description, so you can just go through all the products, and then whichever product or course you would want to grab, you just go ahead and tap on it. So let me assume I'm going for this ID builder. Now what I need to do is to read the product description to make sure that it meets what I need, my requirement. So once that is done, I'll just go ahead and then add it to bag. After that, I would want to keep shopping. Probably I need another application, so I would want to go through. Probably I need MSVB, a programming course for beginners. I'll tap over it and then quickly add it to bag. So I'll just tap on add it to bag. So once I'm done, I would want to go to checkout. So I'll just click on checkout. Then like I said, I'll enter my name from here, enter my last name from here, enter my email address from here, probably this one, and then probably grab my phone number from here as well. Let me just type it over. Then from there, I'll just go ahead and then tap on review and pay. So I'll just tap on that review and pay. So from there, I'll just see the summary of my transaction. So you can see I have my email address there, my phone number is here, the applications I'm buying, the two of them, we have this one here, we have this one as well here. And also, so once I'm done, if there is a discount code, I'll just tap on this and then enter the discount code and click on apply, and that will take effect on the product price. You can see so far we have two products. One is 100 Ghana cedis, the other one is 80 Ghana cedis. Those who are using those, or those outside the country, you can easily just go to Google and just search for, you just search or maybe compare the price of this to that of your country, or the price you would want to make the transaction on. From there, you can just proceed and then do your transaction. It will be deducted exactly as in your own currency. There's no problem with that. So once everything is set, you just click on or tap on pay. You just tap on pay. So from there, you'll be prompted to enter your details like your mobile phone number. So let's wait for that. So there we go. We have this. If we are paying with mobile, so you say to pay with mobile money, so you tap on this. Then you would want to enter your mobile money number here, and then you choose service provider here. So once we are done with that, from there you can go ahead and click on confirm. Else you would want to go and say you would want to pay with probably card. So you just tap on change my payments method, then you come to pay with card. So here you enter your card number, and then you can equally scan your card number by just tapping on the camera icon here, and then enter the expiry date and then the card secure code. So once you are done, you just click on pay, and from there you'll be asked for confirmation, and then you confirm the payment. And once you are done, you'll be given the link to download the products you've just purchased. So it is as simple as that. So basically that is that. I'll be leaving the link for the product store in the video description. You can just check it out, and then you'll be able to follow the same process and do your transactions without any problems, without any stress. So basically that is that. Now let's switch back to my PC and let me show you some few things again. So now we are back here once again. So now I do have a lot of questions from people asking me. For instance, someone would want to purchase maybe school management system version 3, and the person is finding out how much is 200 Ghana cedis in this currency or in my currency. For I think this is something very simple for you to do. Okay, you can just check. Probably if you want to convert this in USD, you can just search. Simple Google search will do the job for you. You can just ask probably, let's say, how much is 200, how much is 200 cedis in USD. Simple as that. So once you just tap this, you'll be able to see that 200 cedis in USD says what 200 Ghanaian cedis in USD is equal to what 16.99 United States dollars. It's very simple. If you would want to convert this into naira, then you ask in naira. So you just type that naira, and then from there you'll be able to see that as well. It says what that is 13,015.57 Nigerian naira. In Kenyan shilling as well, you can just check KES, something like that. Is it Kenyan shilling? Perfect. So that is that. You can see that from here. So also 200 Ghanaian cedis in Kenyan shilling is also equal to what 2,547.20 Kenyan shilling. So simple Google search will help you, and you'll be able to make your decision before coming to decide whether you'll be able to buy it or not, or you'll be able to buy multiple product or single product or whatsoever. So that is how you can navigate through our digital product store to get a product of your choice. And this brings us to the end of this short demo video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'll be leaving the link to the store in the video description below. You can just check it out. You just click on it, and then you'll be brought straight up to this place, and you can go ahead and decide on which product to buy or which item to buy, and you go ahead and do your transaction without any problem, without any stress. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.